Hi, everyone. My name is Billy Glenn, and this is my reflection on my final project and the MIT 812 course in general. It was my first attempt at an online course, my first attempt at a graduate course, and I learned so much from this experience. I'm also thrilled to be finished with one course, actually two, and that's what the GIF's about on the left side of the screen. I am so excited that I made it through. I had my doubts at the beginning. And actually, we all made it through, so we all should be cheering and celebrating that we made it. Thanks to everybody who helped me along the way. Through this course, I learned so much. Now I just have to remember it all. I learned, of course, about multimedia applications. People gave me countless resources, which I can go back to, take back to my classroom, experiment with, and maybe then use in my classroom. The best part is I shouldn't use the word used. Use in my classroom, I should say how to implement them into my curriculum effectively so that the students gain meaning, a deeper meaning of the content through the use of technology. So that's what I'm hoping to get from some of these multimedia applications, how to use them in my classroom effectively. I also learned a ton how to navigate online learning. Like I said, this is my first experience with online learning, and it took me a while to get used to it. Kind of have a handle on it now. Need to have a handle on it because I'm going to take a few more classes in the future. I also learned through this class how to design online learning. I got some basics. I got some of the theory behind it and why it's designed as it is. So I'm looking forward to using that knowledge, maybe even trying it in my own classroom, just a short little unit on online learning, just to see if my kids can handle it, expose them to online learning, and see how I am at designing it. Google Plus communities, I also learned a ton about those. I knew what they were. I just never used them for anything. So my objectives for this class, I separated from my objectives from my final project because I had so many concerns about making it through this class, and without the things on the right, there's no way I would have made it. One of them being the schedule. The schedule was near and dear to my heart. Without it, I would have been totally lost. The Google Plus community and everyone in it, you gave me so many great ideas, so much great feedback, and without it, there's no way I could have made it through the course. The resources that were shared by the instructor, as well as all of the people in the course, they were invaluable. There's no way that I would have made it through without everyone contributing and helping me through this with sharing of resources. The rubrics, those are important. Found that out quickly. So without them, I would not have met my objectives for the course. Assignment 1 was so much appreciated, and it helped me meet my objectives for this course because it gave me a focus. So every assignment that we did, be it a drawing or a video, I could use my plan for lesson 1 as a idea, like I said, a focus for my assignment. That helps. Creates a meaningful environment. I'm not just making a video to be making a video. Also on the left is a picture of my kids. Without them, there's no way I would have made it through this class. After the first day or so, I was overwhelmed. I'm messaging them, texting them, saying, I don't know if I can do it, and they're cheering me on all the way. And so without Hunter and Zoe, I don't think I would have made it through either. Objectives for the final project, assignment 1, once again, without it, that would have been really hard to meet the objectives. It would have taken a lot more time and effort on my part. That plan at the beginning allowed me to spend my time trying out, experimenting with these tools, and figuring out which one would work as I tried to use them to further enhance the unit in reading on persuasion. And so I got a chance to try out different ones. The Google community, once again, without it, there's no way. The shared resources, the thoughts, the comments, the feedback, that just helps tremendously. The resources presented in class and by the classmates, there's tons there too. And once again, all these great resources gave me so many options. I could try them out, pick out what worked for me. Once again, the schedule helped me meet my objectives for the final project because I needed to know when everything was due. And having a schedule, completing each assignment, and then in the end, connecting them all together worked great. And once again, those rubrics, so important. I think this project covered standards E5B and E5C because I designed a project to use in a reading classroom, and they're going to spend some time in my technology class for learning and development of it. The activities are aligned with the reading standards. These activities will keep the kids actively engaged with different aspects of multimedia and technology. And the incorporation of this multimedia will support their learning and enhance their finished products and enhance their knowledge. I'm taking away from this course a huge list of resources and sites, and I am taking away some thoughts and ideas on how to effectively design an online course. Never thought about it until now, so that's great. And I'm taking away how to successfully navigate and complete an online course because I need that for next semester. Next fall, we'll be here before we know it. And the ISTE standards, I've never worked with them that much. I knew they were there. I'm taking those away. Oh my gosh, they will help guide me through the development of curriculum and the inclusion of technology in my curriculum. So thanks everybody. It was a great experience. I talked way too long. Hope you have a great summer, and I'm off to go outside and see what the world's like. Have a good one.